Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking and for recipe tutorial videos. In the last video I showed you how to make the chocolate chip and peanut butter muffin, and then now in this video I'm going to show you how to make the easy vanilla cupcakes. And these are the cupcakes that I have the icing, the buttercream icing on top. The first thing that's on this recipe is to beat in 200 grams of softened butter and 200 grams of caster sugar. And to beat the sugar and the butter with an electric whisk until it forms like it's pale and fluffy texture. Next is to add 3 eggs, one at a time, until it all combines. Next is adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 200 grams of self-raising flour. Which will be sifted in a sieve like this. Next, what we'll have to do is to use a metal spoon to mix the vanilla extract and the self-raising flour so it doesn't go up in the air, and combine it until there are no traces of flour available in this mixture. Then finally, for this cupcake mixture is to add 2 tablespoons of milk to loosen this batter mixture. Next thing that's on this recipe is to divide this batter into 12 equal batter evenly onto 12 cupcake papers. These are the cupcake papers that have the cupcake batter on it and has been divided into 12 equal pieces as a cupcake. Next is to put the cupcakes in the oven for 25 minutes until, or if they are seen as golden on the top. Pause the video now. I'm going to show you what to do next. These are the cupcakes that have been made and came out of the oven after 25 minutes at 190 degrees C. Next in this recipe is to have 125 grams of softened butter. and sift in half of the amount of icing sugar, half of 250 grams, which is going to be 125 grams. And then beat the two ingredients until it combines like light and fluffy texture. Next on this recipe is to beat in the remaining icing sugar, and then add in 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and also 1.5 teaspoons of milk. Beat it with the whisk until it is all combined. So using a palette knife or a spatula, put the icing sugar on top of each cupcake. The last thing on this recipe is to decorate it with the decorations. If this appeals, and put on top of the icing. These are the cupcakes. I've been topped with the buttercream icing and the toppings called the Easy Vanilla Muffins. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you already enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to comment down what recipes you want me to suggest next and do next of it. Okay then, bye.